Tekatononokawo omwana ono obulamu bwe n'abutaasa. Me alone I cannot help. Naye nsobola okukubiriza abali eyo nti omusajja ono yayimba tooka kwa bbalabala wakiriddamu olukube bwe lunaaba kirulina kye lukujjukizaako mumukyaze akola apiiru ye tuleke kugenda wa mwana ono ng'afudde tumuyambe mu bulwadde bwe nga mulamu. So please anyone who can help this young man Mulwana do it. Not because of his political inclination, but because of his contribution to the arts and performing arts industry.
Akasembayo kunze onansonyiwa onalebo omanyiwe tukufuna tuba twagabina tubimaleyo onalebo wali twali kulumbelwa the late Katolo Bwama n'ogamba nti abayimbi abatabikako wano tukimanyi mwagala ssente mu parliament ogenda zikuba
balabika
naye tulaba ennaku zino ssente labika eganye okuvaayo
bajja kuzifuna by the way
lwakuzo bakubyemu
kambawe example just because they are disunited. Music as an industry can produce for this country more than 400 billion in form of taxes. Therefore, government yokubaddizaako bo balage unit eno, and this is what I was calling upon them to do. Madrata ategese ono muvubuka addako yani alien skin gwayitidde abantu clever je go there. When you go there, the government deals with people in masses. So ekyo kiraga nti there is traction ku kintu kyemukola. So if it attracts people, naye jja kujja we muli. So whether it's 5, 10, 15 billion, it's nothing. But kati tugende nga tuzimba mu tangible things. Nga bw'olaba nti holo tuyineemu, how can we make auditoriums and theaters? Tuzimbe ekintu nga O2 Arena eyeebungereza esobola okutuuza abantu 5,000 nti tukoleramu ebintu ebifaananako bwe bityo. Why is government not funding sports so much? Kuba balaba numbers tezikyagendayo. Naye music, the more the numbers go to the entertainment industry, I can guarantee you the more the money will be channeled there. And it is deservedly channeled there. 90% of the content ali ku radios is what? Music. Meaning abantu bano tulina okubawa an ear tugambe what do they want. Nze, they can talk about copyrights, yes, but how much money will come from there? Not so much, but it's a good step in the right direction. For me, it's marketing of their digital rights. We banamanya digitization of their products. Nti omuntu asobola okuba online show nga agitegese wano nga tatadde mu kulanga kungi najjamu miliyoni 10. Ojja kulaba. These are wealthy people. These are people that can promote the nation. So what is 10 billion, 20 billion? That's not a lot of money. Kumana bo, the rate of return on the investment is high. Only that tumanyi quantifying atuna bo bali highly divided. Yeah. So if they are not divided, bo abantu babo baba what? Meaning abantu basanyuka ne babawa. Why do you think government yote sobola kubawa? Niba we bintu ebiri tangible tukola auditorium ebawe I mean theaters yes. Movie city Ngakato's dream, amazing dream. Ekirala ezimbe ekintu ekiringa O2 Arena tuzanyiramu basketball nga conventional center nga bono giraba ekigali tuzanyiramu games so nga ate holding aneki concerts
tweyanziza nnyo